Hey guys, welcome back to Backyard Grilling. For today's video, we're going to be doing grilled carne asada tacos. Now let's go inside, get things started. Alright guys, here we are. We're back inside the Triple R kitchen. For today's video, we're going to be doing carne asada tacos. So we're going to get our marinade, and now we can let it sit in the refrigerator for a couple of hours and get things ready. But first of all, as you guys know, especially for Memorial Day weekend, ice cold Corona Premier. So make sure you have that nice and cold, especially with that lime. So let's get things started. So we have about a little over 2 pounds of beef skirt steak that we're going to use to marinate. And as I throw everything in the bag for the marinade, just let you know what we're using, what I like to use. So first of all, what we do is going to put the skirt steak in the bag. And I'm using a 1 gallon Ziploc bag, so everything will fit in there. First of all, we got orange juice we're putting in there, lime juice, olive oil, garlic finely chopped, jalapenos, roughly chopped a little bit, you know, don't matter the size, for some heat. I like to use green onions. A lot of people use white onion, yellow onion, but me, I prefer the green onions. That's just my taste. And of course, famous cilantro, so we'll get that in there. And then our Himalayan salt. You can use to your taste. And our black pepper, a couple pinches. So now we have everything in there. We'll just take the air out. There. Now we'll just go ahead and just get it mixed up. Make sure everything's nice and mixed in there. So now that we have everything mixed in there, we're gonna go ahead and put it in the fridge for a couple of hours. You can let it marinate for 2, 3 hours, 4 hours, even 24 hours. The longer the better. But with us, like I said, we're just gonna let it marinate probably for a couple of hours, 3 or 4 hours. So we'll get this in the fridge, and we'll see you guys outside. Alright guys, we got the meat, the carne asada. It's been marinating probably for about 4 or 5 hours. So now we're ready. I got the grill ready. So we'll take the top off and we'll go ahead and get it put on there. Alright, let it cook. Probably cook for about 5-6 minutes. Flip it over, probably cook for another 5-6 minutes. And we should be ready to go. Alright. Alright guys, here we are. We finally got the carne asada off the grill. Got everything ready to go. We went ahead and paired it up. It's what we like to eat. A lot of is fried corn. It'll be in the descriptions below. So definitely get that checked out. It's delicious. Tastes great. So we have all our condiments. So now we're just going to throw a quick taco together and give it a try. So I have the corn tortilla, heat these up on the grill. Wonderful. So I'll use that with drizzle heat. So here we have our meat. It's definitely medium. So you can go medium, rare, you know, it's up to you. So here we have, we're gonna put our cilantro onion mixture on there. our avocado on there. next of my fire roasted salsa. If you want to try this, check it out. It's on one of my videos. We'll get it posted up, so definitely look out for that. Get that put on there. Last thing is a squeeze of lime. Get that put on there. So now we'll give it a try. Wow. Tastes great. Definitely taste the marinade. Get a little bit of that smoky flavor in there. Taste the salsa, great, avocado, and the onion and cilantro mixture. So if you guys try this recipe, let us know in the comments. Also, if you guys have any ideas for different cooks, please let us know. Leave them in the comments, and we'll definitely try them out. Hit the subscribe button, left hand side on the TRBYG, little square, red square, you'll see it. And I said, and we'll see you guys next round.